Cholesterol, a fatty substance produced by our livers, plays a crucial role in cell function. This waxy compound, often associated with health concerns, is actually a vital part of our biological machinery. It's involved in numerous processes, including the production of hormones, vitamin D, and substances that help you digest food. But let's delve a little deeper. Cholesterol doesn't travel alone in your bloodstream. It pairs up with proteins to form a combined package called lipoprotein. Imagine it as a ship, with cholesterol being the cargo and the protein serving as the vessel. There are two main types of these cholesterol-carrying ships cruising through your bloodstream: high-density lipoproteins, or HDL, and low-density lipoproteins, or LDL. The HDL cholesterol, often dubbed the good cholesterol, behaves like a cleanup crew. It sails through your bloodstream, collecting excess cholesterol and ferrying it back to your liver, where it's broken down and removed. High levels of HDL cholesterol can actually be beneficial, as it can reduce your risk of heart disease. On the flip side, we have LDL cholesterol, commonly known as the bad cholesterol. Unlike its HDL counterpart, LDL transports cholesterol from your liver to the cells that need it. However, when there's too much LDL cholesterol, it can stick to the walls of your arteries, forming a hard plaque that can clog these blood vessels. This blockage can lead to heart disease and stroke, making high levels of LDL cholesterol a major health concern. So while cholesterol is essential for our body, it's all about balance. Too much, especially of the wrong kind, can lead to serious health problems. It's not just about having cholesterol, it's about maintaining the right levels. Now let's talk about what these levels should ideally be. Your total cholesterol, which is the sum of all types of cholesterol in your blood, should ideally be below 150 milligrams per deciliter. But what does this number really mean? Well, cholesterol is a fatty substance that our bodies need to function correctly. However, too much of it can lead to health issues. It travels through our bloodstream attached to proteins known as lipoproteins. There are two main types of these: high-density lipoprotein, or HDL, and low-density lipoprotein, or LDL. HDL is often referred to as good cholesterol because it carries cholesterol from other parts of your body back to your liver, where it's broken down and removed. On the other hand, LDL, or bad cholesterol, contributes to fatty buildups in arteries. This is why having a high level of LDL or a low level of HDL can increase your risk of heart disease. So when we say your total cholesterol should be below 150 milligrams per deciliter, it's not just about the total amount. It's also about the balance between HDL and LDL. Maintaining these ideal levels is vital for your overall health. It helps keep your blood flowing freely, reduces the risk of heart disease, and ensures your body cells function properly. Remember, when it comes to cholesterol, it's the numbers that matter. Now, let's delve into the world of dyslipidemia. Dyslipidemia, a term that might sound quite complex, simply refers to abnormal levels of cholesterol in the blood. It's a condition that can have a profound impact on our health, particularly when it comes to our heart. But what exactly leads to dyslipidemia? The causes of dyslipidemia are multifaceted and can be broadly categorized into 5 main areas: genetics, diet, lifestyle, medical conditions, and medications. Starting with genetics, some of us are predisposed to dyslipidemia due to our genetic makeup. Certain inherited conditions can cause the body to produce too much cholesterol or prevent it from effectively removing excess cholesterol, leading to elevated levels in the blood. Next comes diet. Foods rich in saturated and trans fats, such as fast food, processed meats, and baked goods, can raise cholesterol levels. On the flip side, a diet high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help maintain a healthy cholesterol balance. Lifestyle factors also play a significant role. Lack of physical activity and excessive alcohol consumption can lead to higher levels of bad cholesterol, or LDL, and lower levels of good cholesterol, or HDL. Moving on to medical conditions, diseases like diabetes, hypothyroidism, and certain liver or kidney diseases can contribute to dyslipidemia. These conditions can disrupt the body's ability to manage cholesterol levels effectively. Lastly, certain medications, such as corticosteroids and some types of hormone therapy, can also impact cholesterol levels, potentially leading to dyslipidemia. Each of these factors can independently or collectively contribute to the onset of dyslipidemia, further underlining the complexity of this condition. But remember, understanding these causes is key. It equips us with the knowledge to make informed decisions about our health and take appropriate steps to manage cholesterol levels effectively. Dyslipidemia is a complex condition with multiple causes, but understanding these can be the first step towards effective management. So how can one manage their cholesterol levels? Let's talk about lifestyle changes. You see, the body is a complex machine, but there are some simple yet effective ways to keep your cholesterol in check. One of these ways is through regular exercise. Physical activity can raise your high-density lipoprotein, the so-called good cholesterol, and lower your low-density lipoprotein, or bad cholesterol. This essentially keeps the balance in your favor, and you don't need to run a marathon either. Even moderate activities like brisk walking or cycling can do the trick if done regularly. Now, let's discuss diet. Your eating habits play a significant role in managing cholesterol. A diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as those found in fish like salmon and mackerel, can lower your overall cholesterol. Additionally, soluble fiber found in foods like oatmeal, kidney beans and apples can also reduce the bad cholesterol in your bloodstream. And let's not forget about the power of nuts. Almonds, walnuts and other nuts can improve your heart health. But remember, moderation is key. Nuts can be high in calories, so a handful a day is sufficient. Also, consider reducing your intake of saturated fats found in red meat and full-fat dairy products, which can raise your bad cholesterol. Instead, choose lean meats, low-fat dairy and monounsaturated fats found in olive and canola oils for a healthier option. With the right lifestyle changes, you can take control of your cholesterol levels and improve your health. Sometimes lifestyle changes alone aren't enough. That's where medication comes in. Medications, particularly a group known as statins, play a crucial role in managing cholesterol levels. Statins work by reducing the amount of cholesterol your liver produces, thereby lowering the overall cholesterol in your bloodstream. They primarily target LDL, the so-called bad cholesterol, helping to prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries. But when are these medications prescribed? Well, they're often recommended for individuals with high cholesterol levels that persist despite diet and exercise. They may also be prescribed for those with a family history of heart disease or for individuals who've already experienced a heart-related event. It's important to remember, though, that while these medications can be highly effective, they're not a magic bullet. They work best when used alongside a healthy diet and regular exercise. Medication can be a vital tool in managing cholesterol levels, but it's always best used in combination with healthy lifestyle changes. Cholesterol can be a complex topic, so let's address some common questions. Many wonder about the foods to avoid when trying to manage cholesterol. The chief culprits are trans fats and saturated fats, often found in processed foods, fried items and red meat. Opting for heart-healthy options like fruits, vegetables, whole grains and lean proteins can make a world of difference. Another frequently asked question centers around the relationship between cholesterol and heart disease. Here's the simple version. High levels of LDL, or bad cholesterol, can lead to plaque buildup in the arteries. This increases the risk of heart disease, as it can restrict blood flow and lead to heart attacks. Lastly, the frequency of cholesterol checks can be a point of confusion. Generally, adults should check their cholesterol every 4 to 6 years, but those with risk factors for heart disease may need to be tested more frequently. Understanding cholesterol is key to managing it effectively, so stay informed and take control of your health.